Hello kids, how are you? Kids, today we are going to learn singular and plural words with specific condition. Then which is that condition? See, the condition is we are going to learn the plural form, to write the plural form of singular word which are ending with Y. Okay, there is one simple rule. See, I will show you. Our first word is baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. See, there is Y at the end of this singular word. Then, what is the plural form of baby? See, the rule is when there is Y at the end of singular word, so remove that Y and write IES instead of Y. See, B-A-B. Write the spelling up to Y as it is. Then remove Y and write IES. So, one baby. Many babies. B-A-B-I-E-S. Babies. Our second word is body. Sorry. B-O-D-Y. Body. So, as per our rule, write the spelling up to Y. B-O-D. Then remove Y and write I-E-S. One body. Two bodies. Or one body. Many bodies. Then, our third word is C-I-T-Y. City. One city. Many cities. How to write the spelling? C-I-T. Don't write Y. Remove that Y and write I-E-S. Cities. Okay. One city. Many cities. Now fourth word is party. P-A-R-T-Y. Party. One party. Many parties. Write the spelling up to T. P-A-R-T. Part. Remove that Y. Write I-E-S instead of Y. One party. Two, three or many parties. Then fifth word is lady. L-A-D-Y. Lady. One lady. Many ladies. L-A-D-I-E-S. Ladies. Okay. Then sixth word is country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. One country. Many countries. C-O-U-N-T-R. Don't write Y while writing the plural form. Write I-E-S instead of Y. One country. Many countries. Right? Now, here I am going to write seventh word. One bunny. B-U-N-N-Y. Bunny. One bunny. Many bunnies. B-U-N-N-I-E-S. Bunnies. Okay. Then eighth word is century. C-E-N-T-U-R-Y. Century. One century. Many centuries. C-E-N-T-U-R-I-E-S. Centuries. Okay. It is very easy. Only you have to remember this one rule. That when there is Y at the end of singular word, remove that word and write IES instead of Y. Okay. Now ninth word is family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. One family. Then what is the plural form of family? Families. Remove Y. F-A-M-I-L. I-E-S. So our ninth word is memory. M-E-M-O-R-Y, memory. See, there is Y at the end of this word, singular word. So remove that Y and write I-E-S instead of Y. So what is the plural form of memory? M-E-M-O-R-I-E-S, memories. One memory, two, three, or many memories. Then our 11th word is fly. F-L-Y, fly. One fly, many flies. Okay. Our next word is lobby. L-O-B-B-Y, lobby. One lobby, many lobbies. Remove Y, write spelling up to B, then remove Y and write I-E-S instead of Y. It is as simple as that. So one lobby, many lobbies. Okay. Our last example. See, there are so many words, but it is not possible to write or to cover all words in one video. So I told you the golden rule of singular plural. You have to just remember this. Then you can write any singular word ending with Y. Okay. So our last word is lorry. L-O-R-R-Y, lorry. One lorry, many lorries. Okay. In this video, we will cover one more condition, that is word ending with Y, but it have to follow by any vowel. See, what are the vowels? See, our second condition is there is Y at the word of singular word, but before Y there is any vowel. How many vowels there are? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So if Y follows any vowel, then there is no need to remove Y and add IES. Then what to do? How to write singular word of such a word? See, I'll show you. Our first word is B-O-Y, boy. See, there is Y at the end of singular word, but Y follows by O, vowel. So don't remove Y, then add only S after Y. One boy, many boys. One boy, two boys. Okay. Similarly, T-O-Y, toy. Same condition. There is Y at the end of singular word, but it follows by O, vowel. So don't remove Y. Add only S at the end of singular word. One toy, many toys. Our third example in this condition is K-E-Y, key. See, there is E before Y. E is a vowel. So add only S. Don't remove Y. One key, many keys. Our next example is a monkey. One monkey, many monkeys. Why? Because there is E before Y. So don't remove Y. Don't add IES. Add only S. And write Y also. Okay. Our fifth example is tray. T-R-A-Y, tray. There is Y. But before Y there is a vowel. So add only S. T-R-A-Y-S, tray. Right? Now sixth word is D-A-Y, day. See, there is Y, but it follows by a vowel. So don't remove Y. Add only S after Y. one day, many days. Now our seventh word is W-A-Y, way. Similarly, like day, one way, many ways, right? Our eighth word is spray. S-P-R-A-Y, spray. One spray, many sprays. See, there is Y, but before Y there is A. So don't remove Y, don't add IES, add only S after Y. One spray, many sprays. See, our ninth word is R-A-Y, ray. There is Y, but it is followed by a vowel, A. So, don't remove Y, add only S. R-A-Y-S, rays. One ray, many rays. Our 10th word is P-R-E-Y, pray. One pray, many praise. P-R-E-Y-S, praise. Okay, kids? Thank you.